Hey there, let's check out this heavy duty ratchet set by Tank, T-A-N-K, Power Sport USA. You get 4-piece ratchet set. Straps are 1 inch by 15 inches, and you get 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4-piece soft loops. Okay. Here's the ratchets. Actually, these are the straps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you get the soft loops. Everything you need to use a ratchet, whether you're using a flatbed trailer, hauling something on the top of your vehicle. Here are the soft ones. Soft loops. 1. Oh. Where are they? 2. I'm seeing 2 of these. Okay, so you get 2 of these. You get 1 of these, as far as I can see in here. You get that there. And the brake strength is 2,200 pounds. And this was given as a sample for review.